Hello lovely students, welcome to Silence Classes e-learning platform where you will learn best topic in easy manner from basic to advanced step by step. Okay, today we are going to start okay or continue with the same chapter number 1 knowing our numbers of class 6 NCERT. Okay, so today we are going to start with a concept that is ascending and descending order. Ascending and descending order, all these topics we have already covered in my previous videos, so please, if you haven't watched, please first watch this video, so the upcoming topics will be easier for you guys. Okay, so now we will study ascending and descending order. Okay, ascending and descending order. What is ascending and descending order means? Ascending. Ascending means if I will write it down alphabets, okay, like A, B, C, D, E and F. It means, and if I will put the numbers over here, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on, and F, G, H, I, J, H, I and so on over here. Okay, so what we are seeing, that if we are starting from A and moving forward, means number is moving upwards, means number is increasing, number is increasing. Okay, means if we are moving from A, B is 2, C is 3, means number is increasing. If we are moving from A towards Z, if we are moving from A towards Z, it means ascending order means arranging. Ascending means we are starting from A. It means we have to write it down the smallest number in first, smallest number first. Okay, means we have to arrange the number from the smallest to the biggest, smallest to the biggest, means we have to move from the smallest number, we have to find it out the smallest number, and at last we have to find it out the biggest number. Means ascending order means starting from smallest and moving towards big, starting from smallest and moving towards big. Now what is descending order? Descending, okay, means D is descending, the letter D is coming. Descending means if we will move from D towards A, we will move from D towards A, means we are decreasing the numbers, we are decreasing the number. Now we are standing from D over here in D, we are standing over here in D, and we have to move towards A. So we have to descend the number, means we have to reduce the number. Means first of all we have to start from the largest or the greatest number, and then move towards smallest to smallest number. Okay, means we have to write it down the biggest number first, okay, then second biggest, then third biggest, then fourth biggest, fifth biggest, and the least smallest number which is present in our question. Okay, I hope you guys are understanding, I hope you guys are understanding what I am trying to say. Means in this, in ascending order, we are the ascending order. Okay, in ascending order, from A we are moving towards upside, and in descending we are standing in D and we are moving downwards, we are moving downwards, we are descending. Means we have to write the biggest number first, then smallest. Okay, like for an example, the number is given 2, 3, 4, 6. Okay, and you have to find it out ascending order. Write these digits in ascending order, in ascending order. Ascending starting from A. Okay, you can get what you have to do by this ascending letter A and descending letter D means we are starting from A, means we are starting from the smallest number. A is the smallest, it means we are starting from the smallest number. The smallest number which is present over here is 2. Then bigger than 2, that is 3. Bigger than 3, that is 4. And bigger than 4, that is 6. It means 2, 3, 4, 6 is the answer. Now, if we have to write it down in descending order, now we are standing over here in D, means we have to decrease the number, means we have to move downwards. So first of all, we have to write it down the biggest number. We have to write it down the biggest number that is 6. Then the smallest number, we can write it down 4. Now we can write it down 3. Then we can write it down 2. Okay, like this, from the biggest to the smallest, from the biggest to the smallest. Like this we can find it out ascending and descending order, ascending and descending order. Okay, you have to just remember, from ascending, the word ascending is saying that I am starting from A. It means I am starting from the least number, I am standing in the least place. Okay, and D is saying that I am standing in the middle, means D. Then we have to move downwards, okay, from D to least, okay, to the least. Now ascending order means arranging from the smallest to the biggest, from the smallest to the biggest or the greatest number. Descending means arranging the numbers from the greatest to the smallest, from the greatest number to the smallest number, from the greatest to the smallest. Okay, now let's come to the questions available in this chapter. Let's see. Just a second, guys. Now the question number 1 is given over here. Who is the tallest? Okay, you can read it out. These, you can check this chart or the diagram which is given over here. Okay, and you can the height, you can check the height over here is given in centimeters. Okay, means all the heights, all the 4 heights are given in centimeters, so we don't have to means change anything. Okay, so first of all, what we have to do, I have already told you, to find the greatest number and the smallest number, what we have to do, we have to count the digits. We have to count the digit. Then first, 1, the number is given 160 centimeter. Second, Dolly 154 centimeter. Then Mohan is 158 centimeter, and Shashi is 159 centimeter, means all are given in centimeters. Now if I will count the digits, 1, 2, 3, means 3 digits are there in the first one. 1, 2, 3, 3 digits are there in the second one also. 1, 2, 3, 3 digits are there in the third one also. 1, 2, 3, 3 digits are there in the fourth one also. Means all the numbers are having 3 digits. So we cannot find it out by using this method. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to move from left towards right and comparing the digits, by comparing the digits. Okay, we will have to move from left towards right, we have to move from left towards right. While comparing the numbers, we will find it out which number is greatest and which number is smallest. Okay, now I will write it down, the digits once again. The first digit is 160. Okay, it means it is starting from 1 is written over here. Okay, second is 154. It means 1 is also available in this. Now in third, 158. Okay, means 1 is over here also I'll write it down in front of them. Okay, 1 is equals to 1. Okay, means 1 1 1 in all the three, 1 is common, so we cannot find till yet. Fourth, 159 centimeter, again 1 is there, again 1 is there, again 1 is there. Now what we can do, we have to find it out the second numbers, we have to find it out the second, we have to move towards right. Now 6 is there. Now we have to move the second number, 5. Oh, 5. Now we come to know that 1 6 is the biggest. 1 6 is the biggest. 1 6 is bigger than 1 5. 1 5, okay, means we got that 1 5 is smaller than 1 6. Means we got one thing, that 1 5. Again, the third number is 5. Now we came to know that 1 6 is bigger, okay, from both of them. Now the fourth one, 5. Now we come to know that the number starting from 1 6 is the biggest number, because all the other numbers are having 5, okay, and it is having 6. It means 16 is bigger than 15. So we came to know that 160 is the biggest number, okay. So what we have to write it down, first of all, who is the tallest? So Ram Hari is the tallest, okay. Ram Hari is tallest, okay. Who is the tallest? Ram Hari is the tallest, because he is having 160 centimeter of height, because it is having 160 centimeter of height, okay. So from here we came to know that Ram Hari is the tallest one. Now the second question which is written over here, we can remove this, because we find it out that 160 Ram Hari is the tallest, okay. Now the second question is saying find out who is the smallest. Now who is the smallest means इनमें से सबसे छोटा कौन है? Who is the smallest? So what we can do, we have already find it out that 15, the work which we have done in rough, it is showing that 15 15 15, okay. Now we have to move towards the third number. If we move towards the third number, it is written that 4, the number 4 is there. Now in the third question, number 8 is there. We came to know that 4 is smaller than 8. 4 is smaller than 8. It means this number will remove, because we have to find it out the smallest, okay. Means this number is not the number we are looking for, okay. And next 9 means 159. 159 is also not there, because 9 is greater than 4. It means we came to know the 154 is the smallest one, So we can say Dolly, who is the smallest? So we can write it down, Dolly is the smallest, because she is having 154 centimeter of height. 154 centimeter of height, okay. By using this method, we can easily find it out which number is smallest and who is the tallest between all of them, okay. And easily, if you know how to check it out, the numbers 160 154, so you can easily find it out by that also. But who are having the problems comparing the numbers, they can use this formula, okay, and they can compare easily and find it out which number is greater and which number is smallest, okay. So we have already done this two questions, that who is the tallest and who is the smallest. We have already written that Ram Hari is the tallest and Dolly is the smallest, okay. Now we can move towards the question number second, A part. Can you arrange them in the increasing order in their height? Increasing order, okay, means increase, okay, means ascending order, means in ascending order, means increasing. We have to write it down the smallest, then increasing, bigger than this, bigger than this, and bigger than this. Okay, means we have to write it down in the increasing order. Increasing order means ascending order. Increasing order means ascending order, means first of all we have to write it down the smallest one, okay, and at the end we have to write it down the tallest one. Okay, now between these fours we are already having two things, the smallest and the tallest. Okay, now at the middle we have to find it out. Now in A part, in increasing order means we have to write it down the shortest first, so we can write it down the name of Dolly. Dolly, because Dolly is the shortest, it means 154 centimeter. Okay, then what we can do, two students are there, or you can say two numbers are there, that is 158 and 159. Apart from that, these two we are having, that one is tallest and one is smallest. Now then we have to compare between these two, which one is the smallest. Okay, because only these two numbers are remaining. So 158, and we have already written that 1515 is common in this. 1515 is common in this. By using 1515 we cannot imagine, or we cannot find it out which one is the smallest or tallest. Okay, so next move to the next number. 8 is there and 9 is there. By the digit 8 and 9 we can easily find it out that 8 is smaller than 9. 8 is smaller than 9, it means 158 is the smallest. 158 is the smallest between these two. Okay, so I will write it down, 158, then 159, because we know that 160 is the tallest at the last, because we have to write it down in the increasing order. We have to write it down in the increasing order, means 154 centimeter, 158 centimeter, 159 centimeter, and 160 centimeter. Okay, and I have to told you one thing more. While using the ascending and descending order, we have to remember the sign. We have to remember the sign. Okay, between the greatest and the smallest number, we will write it down like this. For example, there are numbers given to you, that is 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it is in the increasing order, means 2 is smaller than 3. Smaller means it is the sign of smallest. Smallest, okay, close area will always indicate the smallest, and the open area, the big area, the open area will always towards the largest number. Towards the largest number. Okay, smallest, the number is always having the closed one. It's always having the closed area. Okay, and the bigger one is having the open area. Open area. Okay, of the sign. Open area of the sign. 2 is smaller than 3. 3 is smaller than 4. 3 is smaller than 4. And 4 is smaller than 5. 4 is smaller than 5. Means it is showing, by using this formula we can easily write it down, or we can easily identify that 2 is smaller than 3, and 3 is smaller than 4, and 4 is smaller than 5. You don't have to say anything whether this number is in increasing order or in decreasing order. By using the sign, you can tell anyone in which manner you have written this numbers. You have written these numbers. Okay, means the open face is always at the bigger number. The open face will always at the bigger number, bigger number. Okay, I hope you guys have understood. Okay, and in descending order, if you have to write it down, for example 4 5 3 2 1. So first of all you have to write it down the biggest number 5. And now what you have to do, the biggest open area is always in front of biggest, then 4, again this, like 3, this 2, like this one. Okay, you have to write it down in this particular manner. Okay, now let's move to the next question. Now next question, which is written over here, you can arrange them in the descending order in their heights. Okay, now first of all, if you have written that, if you have find it out the increasing order, so easily you can find it out in the decreasing order. Okay, or you can use that particular method which I have told you. If you have to directly find it out in the decreasing order, you can use the formula by counting the numbers and by checking the digits from left towards right. Over here we know that this descending order means the biggest number, then smaller than this, that is smaller than that, and the least number. Okay, means the biggest number we are having, that is 160 Ram Hari. Now the biggest, it means what? The face of the crocodile, you can say crocodile, will be open at 160. Okay, now the second one is Shashi, 159. Again this, then Mohan, 158, and the least one is having Dolly, 154. In this we can write it down in the decreasing order. Decreasing order means from the biggest to lowest, or you can say in descending order. In descending order. I hope you guys are understanding what I am teaching you guys. Okay, please, if you have any query, you can repeat this video once again and you can re-practice the question. Okay, means it will take some time to you guys. I know you guys are practicing very hard, okay, to study these subjects, and so I am telling you in an easy concept how you can check it out. Once right now it is looking you guys that it is the biggest method, sir is teaching you in a manner where you can get confused, but this is the easiest way. You can never do a mistake. You can never do a mistake because you are moving step by step. If you are moving step by step in any question in maths, you will never do a mistake. Okay, moving step by step in maths is the biggest thing. If you will move, or if you will switch any step, okay, the means you can make a mistake at that point of time. So you have to clear the concept first of all, then you can go. As you guys do the practice, you will come to used to all these things. Okay, you will get used to all these things and you can do the question very quickly. Okay, so please be with me, be patient, and try to learn what I am teaching you guys, because the steps which I am teaching you is the step by step process. Over here you will come to know that by counting the numbers, first of all you can identify 2 or 3 numbers. Okay, then then from the 5 numbers you will eliminate 2 numbers, because you come to know that these are 5 numbers or these are 4 numbers, and else are 3 numbers given over here. So these 3 are the smallest and these are the biggest. Okay, now you can find it out from these 3. By eliminating the things, you can make the sum, or you can make the question very easy. You can make the question very easy. Okay, now let's move to try these. Arrange the following number in the ascending order. In the ascending order means, ascending order means from the smallest to the biggest, from the smallest to the biggest. I am writing down the numbers for you guys. That is 847 comma 97, sorry, 9754 comma 8320 comma 571. Now what we have to do, first of all we have to find out the smallest number, and to find out the smallest number what we can do, we can count the digits. Okay, first of all 1 2 3, one number has having, first number is having 3 digits, second number has having 1 2 3 4 4 digits, third number is having also 4 digit, and the last number is having the 3 digit. Now we came to know the smallest number, whichsoever will be the smallest number, it is having 3 digits only. Okay, it contains 3 digits. Okay, means we have eliminated these two. Okay, look how we have eliminated these two, by just counting the numbers. By counting the digits we have eliminated the two numbers. Okay, so we don't have to means mess up the things by calculating all these numbers. Okay, by just counting we have all eliminated two numbers. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to check the numbers from which it is starting from. The number first is starting from 8. We came to know the number first is starting from 8, and the number last which we have find it out, the number it is starting from 5. So what we came to know, that 5 is the smallest. 5 is the smallest number. Okay, it means 571, the number starting from 5 is the smallest. We came to know that 571 is the smallest. 571 is the smallest number. Okay, 571 is the smallest. Now we came to know else all the numbers are starting from are having 4 numbers. It means we get the second smallest number as well. We get, by just calculating this, we get the second number as well. 571 is the first smallest, and 847 is the second smallest. Okay, because all the other numbers are having 4 digits. Okay, now what we can do, we will move towards the 4 digits. We can find it out. We can look the first digit of the numbers. The number is starting from 9 and this number is starting from 8. It means 8 is smaller than 9. It means 8320, then 9754. Is it as simple as it? Is it as simple as it is looking? Okay, by eliminating, but just by counting the digits we have eliminated the numbers, and just we don't have to look all the digits present in the numbers. We have to just follow the steps. First digits only give you the answer. Okay, first of all, by just counting the digits we got the two numbers, and was just by checking the first digit of the numbers we have eliminated the next two numbers. Okay, I hope you guys have done this. Now let's move towards the next question. The number is given 9801 comma 25751, next 36501. The next number is 38802. Now what we have to do, first of all, yes, correct, count the digits. The first number is having 1 2 3 4 digits only. Okay, 4 digits only. Now the second number is having 1 2 3 4 5 digits. Third number 1 2 3 4 5 digits, again 5 digits. The last number 1 2 3 4 5, again 5 digits. From here, but just counting the numbers, I got that 9801, the number which are having 4 digits, is the smallest, and in the ascending we have to write it down the smallest number first. So I will write it down 9801 over here, and we have to put the sign like this. Okay. Now what we have to do, we have to just check it out, the first digits of the number, the number second is starting from this number is eliminated, we can put a cross over here, second 2. In the third, number is starting from 3, and the fourth number is starting from 3. It means we came to know the number 2 is smaller than 3. It means the number which is starting from 2 is the smallest, is the smaller. Okay, among these three. So I will write it down 25751. Okay, then we have to put the sign of, okay, like this. Then only two numbers are remaining. Okay, now we have to move towards the second number, second digit present over here, and we came to know that 6 is there and 8 is there. Now we came to know that 6 is smaller than 8, means 6 is smaller than 8. It means 36 is smaller than 38. 36 is smaller than 38. It means 36501 36501 is smaller than 38802. 38802. So we got the answer that 9801 is the smallest, then 25751 is the smallest, then smaller than 36501, and 36501 is smaller than 38802. Okay, so we have written these numbers in ascending order. By using these ascending order sign, Okay, now let's came to the next question. Okay, what we have to do, we have to arrange these number in descending order. Descending means from the biggest to the smallest. We have to move from the biggest to the smallest number. Okay, so what we have to do, first of all, I will write it down the numbers which is given to you, that is 5000 comma 7500, then 85,400, then 7,861. Okay, now what we have to do, first of all, we have to count the digits. We have to count the digits. Number 1 is having 4 digits, number 2 and 2 3 4 digits, number 3 1 2 3 4 5 digits, and number last is also having the 1 2 3 4 digits. Means we came to know that apart from 3 numbers, one number which is having 5 digits is the greatest, It means we have to write it down 85400. Okay, like this. We have to put the sign like this because this is the greatest. Now what we have to do, all the other numbers are having 4 digits. Now we have to check it out the numbers. We have to check it out the first digit present in the numbers. Then over here 5 is there, in the second 7 is there, and in the third 7 is there. It means 5 is the smallest number. From here we came to know that 5000 is the smallest. This is the smallest, means we will mention this number at last. Okay, now what we will do, we will compare between these two. Okay, by the single digit we haven't find it out. Okay, now we will move towards the second digit, that is 5, and over here is 8. We came to know that 75 is smaller than 78. It means 78 is bigger. 78 is bigger. Means 7861 is bigger than 7500, and 7500 is bigger than 5000. Okay, so we have written these numbers in descending order. Okay, I hope you guys are understanding. I am repeating the same concept again and again. But first of all, we have what we have to do. We have to count the digits. Okay, by digits we can eliminate the numbers. Okay, whosoever is having the largest numbers, it is the greatest. Whosoever is having the smallest digits is the smallest. Then by comparing the numbers one by one, we can find it out, or we can identify which number is bigger and which number is greater. Okay, and I hope so you guys are understanding it. If there is any query, please watch the video again. Okay, and you will come to know. Okay, and this B question, the question number B, okay, is in your homework. You have to complete it out, and we will check it out in the next video. Okay guys, let's end the class for today. Next topic will be cleared in next video. Okay, please be with me and like and share my video with your friends so they can also clear their concept like you are doing. Okay, bye bye, thank you.